speak there, but so little do I delight, that the delight I have is worth but one grief's weight. Still I plan how I might tell her soon or late the great sorrow that I bear without annoy. For I so adore and desire her when I am in her employ, that I dare not reveal to her my reasons are. So it goes with me as with the champion's part, who for a long time learns to fence and fight, and when he comes to the field to strike with all his might, he knows nothing then of shield nor of his weapons smart. Field to strike with all his might, he knows nothing then of shield nor of his weapon small.